Well, hello everybody. I've got this massive box from Yarnspirations. I've ordered some brand new Bernat blanket yarn. It's in a cake. I've never seen it before, so it came across my email a few weeks ago, and I ordered quite a lot, as you can see. It's quite a big box. So I'm going to open it here for you guys today, and I have to put it down so I can actually open it. But I just wanted you to see it. I'm going to share all my brand new yarn with you, which will be so exciting. So I'm actually going to open it on the couch beside me here. I've got my knife, and I'm just going to open it. Oh my gosh, it's absolutely gorgeous. Oh, I can't wait for you guys to see this. So I could not believe it when I saw this stuff on my website, on the website. I thought, oh my goodness! And then I checked the yardage, and the yardage is actually the same as a regular Bernat blanket yarn skein. So this skein has, I think it was 220 yards on it. Let me see where it is. Where's the details? Where's the details? Looking for the details. Here it is. Yeah, it says it's 220 yards. That's what it's in a skein. And in these, look at these beautiful cakes of Bernat blanket yarn. And it's 220 yards. So it's exactly the same amount. I got them 40% off. It came through my email, and I just had to order them. And what I ended up doing was I ordered, I wanted to share a lot of the different colors with you. So I ordered one of a lot of them, and I thought I can use these for my stuffies when I'm making my plushies or stuffies, or however you call them, my cats, like I have here. You know how I make all my kitty cats, and I make octopus and whales and stuff. So I thought these would be beautiful for spring. So I got one of a lot of colors, and then one color I bought three maybe, to make a baby blanket. And another color, I think I brought 5. Abby's a little bit upset. She's up there on the counter because she was on my knee until I started doing this. Here she comes on the arm of the chair. So yes, so I got all the different colors. So I'll show you what I got. I'm just thrilled to bits with it. I can't believe it. And yeah, so this beautiful one, I think I might have only got one of these. It's called, what's the color called? Springtime. So yeah, it's the 6 bulky weight. Regular Bernat blanket yarn, but it's got the yellow and the pink in the middle. I've never seen, well, it's new, Bernat blanket yarn in skeins. I think it had a fancy name. Ethereal Stripes. That's what they're called, Ethereal Stripes. So these must be the colors that are in this particular one. Okay, so that's springtime. And oh, I have a few of these. So maybe these are all springtime. Maybe I got 3 springtime to be able to make a blanket. Are these all springtime? Yes. So yay, I got 3 because they would make a beautiful baby blanket, right? What would you make with it? I think a beautiful baby blanket would really be nice in those. So I'm going to put them down. And then the next color that I have here for you, it's so pretty, and I think this might be one I got 5 of. There seem to be a few of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these I could make probably a throw with. This one is called Parakeet. I don't know if they're all the same color. No, I don't think that's the same color as the others. This one's called Parakeet. And it's got the kind of light green, some chartreuse kind of colors. It's got turquoise, mauve, and then going back to the turquoise and the chartreuse and the darker green. And the actual pieces of yarn, I'm just going to see if I can get something out. You can see what it's like. So the colors are actually transitioning within the yarn. It's not a sharp transition. So that is Parakeet. And this one, this is another, I think, individual one. This one is called Bouquet. I mean, these are just perfect for spring and summer, aren't they? And I just ordered some new cat, amigurumi cats from Annie. Her name is Caraway, but it's with an A, Carraway, instead of Caraway, which I am. And she's called Annie Caraway Art. And she's the one that created the pattern that I made when I make this one with the spots on it and the regular one. Those are both Annie Caraway Arts patterns that I use. So I just thought I could make octopus with these. I could make whales with these. But I got some new patterns today where you can put little bows on your cats, or you could just lots of different twists on the cat. Some have baubles on them. Some have like circus cats, all kinds of, oh, and sushi cats. I think there's going to be some sushi cats. So I can download them after this video, and I'm going to get going, I'm sure, on some patterns, because I've got a market this Saturday and I've got an Easter market April 2nd. So I've got lots of time. The thing is, I've run out of polyfill, and I've ordered a big box of polyfill, which would hopefully come within the next week, hopefully, because I can just make these up to the point where I need to stuff them and then finish them off when I get all my polyfill. But isn't that pretty? Oh my goodness. Bouquet. Let me know which is your favorite. I just love this. So excited. Oh my gosh. Okay, and the next one. This one is and I'm just going to see if it's one that I got a lot of. This one is called Starry Sky. Starry, Starry Night. You know the song by Vincent? All About Vincent by Don McLean? Starry Night. Yes, so that's beautiful blues that we've got there. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to start on these. I just don't know which color to use first. I'm trying to balance them on the table in front of me. And this one is called Forest Walk. And that's really pretty. It's a bit different to the other one with the greens. See how that's got some mauve in it? And this one is more just greens and bluey greens inside with the limey green. Very soft color there. So this one is called Forest Walk. Forest Walk. So we've got Forest Walk, Springtime, Parakeet, Bouquet, and let's see if I can balance that on there. They're probably all going to fall off. This one is called Starry Sky. Okay, so I think this one was a Starry Sky. Did I say Starry Night? Maybe it's Starry Sky. This one's Starry Sky. So this is the one I also bought 3 in to make a baby blanket. So I got the nice springtime colors, and then I got 3 of these Starry Night ones to make another baby blanket. Usually I need 3 skeins to make a baby blanket, so we'll see. And if I have any left over, I can make a stuffy with it. That would be really cute as an octopus or a whale with a white bottom and the blue top. And then this one is Forest Walk. So the Forest Walk, I also got 3 of. So I didn't realize I'd done that. So I got 3 of the springtime, 3 of the Forest Walk, and 3 of the Starry Night. So I've got lots of options with those. And then this one is a one-off, I think. It's one that I bought. Yep, this is Sunrise. Oh, look at that. So pretty. Oh, wow. Look at all the colors. It's like a painter's palette. Just love it. So yes, what did I say it was? Sunrise. It is all the colors of the sunrise. And put that on the floor. Oh, look at this. This is a bit darker one. This one is called Aurora. Look at that. Aurora and sunrise. Oh, wow. Aurora and sunrise. I love these colors. I can't wait to start working on them. And then the last one I have is I actually ended up getting 6 of these. And this one is called, I think it's something like Stone. If I can find the name on here. I'll get one out of the bag. Then I can hold it up for you to see it. Because they're all in bags. Because they're doubled up in a bag. So I got 6 of these ones. And they're called Sand Dune. So they're very beachy. That's not the right, that blue doesn't belong in there. Sand Dunes. So they're a very subtle transition. And I thought these would look really nice on a bigger throw blanket. So I got myself 6. And I probably won't use them all, but it's also a great color for a cat, right? Or for any of my stuffings that I make. So I'll just hold it up with 2. So they're slightly different colors. That goes a little bit darker. That has a little bit of the darkness in the middle, but very mellow colors. So that is my haul from Yarnspirations. Oh my goodness, 6 of these. And 3 of the Forest Walk. So that's going to be a baby blanket. I could mix these up with other colors and make them. And then I think this one is the Parakeet. I think that's kind of one of my favorites. I like those colors. Parakeet. And this one is Bouquet. So that is flowery colors, isn't it? Okay. And then we have this, I think this is the Aurora. Yep, Aurora, because it's bright, like the Northern Lights. Aurora. This one, I think what's this one? The Sunrise. Let's see. Yep. Sunrise. And then I got 3 Starry Nights and 3 of these Springtime. So do you think I've got the right colors, the right selection, the right collection? You can see what I'm going to be doing in my lives for a while is working on these beautiful yarns from Yarnspiration. I really would like to get a thread out and just show you what the threads look like. If I can find one here. So they're beautiful, beautiful threads. Just like regular Yarnspiration yarn. And it's one of my favorite yarns for my super bulky yarns, for my 6 weight. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my yarn unboxing. I don't do these very often, but I just saw these yarns, and once I started writing down what I wanted, I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna get a lot. I got more multiple cakes than I thought. I thought I only got 1 blanket, but it looks like I got 3. Starry Night, Springtime, and Forest Walk. And then a lot of the Sand Dune for making the big throw. So keep your eye open for which one gets worked on first and when my new patterns come out or my new video tutorials. And if I see you in the live, maybe I'll be sharing some of these with you there too. So I'll put a link maybe down below to where you can get these. They're called Ethereal Stripes by Bernat Blanket Yarn. But I'll put the link in the description below, okay? And thank you very much for watching.